How to exclude locations in your Google Ads campaign. Today, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do on the computer. My name is Isaac. I'm with Bell Media. Let's jump into it. So first of all, you're going to get into your Google Ads account and you are going to go to your campaign. So on the left-hand side it says campaigns. You're going to click campaigns again, and then for the third time, click campaigns. So once you're here, you're going to look and make sure your campaign is in here. If it's not in here, you want to make sure that you're under all filters, under all campaigns right there. And then once they're in here, you're going to select the campaign that you're adjusting, and you are going to select the gear icon. So once you have the gear icon, it's going to take you to settings for that campaign. This one is currently running, and this one is for a wedding venue that's locally trying to target people that may be wanting to get married. So this right here, locations, we are going to click, scroll all the way down. I missed that part, but go all the way down where it says other settings, and then you're going to come across where it says locations. So locations, and then enter location. So right here at the bottom it says location to include or exclude. Say we're going to exclude, say Canada, sorry Canada, and then we're going to click exclude right here. And this has already been excluded, so I can't do it in this case, but if it wasn't, you're just going to click exclude, and that's going to be it. So if you are going to kind of break that down into a little bit more, so I'm imagining in my head, why are they looking at this video? Why are people, I'm trying to help you guys figure out your problems without even knowing exactly what your problems are. And I'm assuming that you're getting clicks from places you don't want to get clicks from. So maybe it's India, maybe it's the Philippines, maybe it's Canada, maybe it's just Texas and you're in Tennessee, or whatever the situation is, you're getting clicks from people that you don't really want to serve. So what you're going to do is you're going to exclude a lot of different places. So choose where you want to be and make sure you exclude everywhere that you don't want to be. So every country, every state, every zip code that you don't want to be in, you want to make sure that you're putting them in here and clicking exclude. There is a little bit of an easier way to do this. If you go to advanced search, and then you go over here to add bulk locations, you can add locations very easily, and I believe you can also include negative locations very easily, yes. So at the bottom down here, you have your excluded locations, but you're going to go in here and you're going to type in whatever country you don't want. Whatever area you don't want, you want to make sure that you're not including. So this is what my map looks like. I have every single country possible excluded except the United States, and we are pretty much in just the United States, in some areas in Tennessee. I have other states included and excluded in certain scenarios. For this campaign though, they are included. So if you want to go ahead and do that for yourself, if you need help getting these countries in here, let me know. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments below. I'm happy to help you out. Or if you want me to help you directly, then I can do that as well. There's a link in my description and I can help you, walk you through some things. But if you go in here one by one, type in Texas, type in everything you need to do to get rid of those areas, click exclude, and then just add them in here, click save, and then click save. And then you are good. This might come up. This is a new thing they just recently added. Does your campaign have European political ads? No, this campaign does not have European political ads. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully that answers some questions, and hopefully you get some great leads that don't cost too much, because that is the end goal for everybody here, is to get those conversions without costing a ton of money. If you like this video and you want to see more of these, make sure you subscribe so I can help you out in the future. Have a great rest of your day.